welcome to the very first episode of
Posh
BAWSE,
BAWSE
BAWSE TV. We are two posh moms that just happen to be mother and daughter.
Yes, she is my posh mom, and I am the posh mom to her beautiful granddaughter.
Exactly, and that's how it works. Even if you're a mommy to a fur baby, same thing, same concept. We wanted to come on here really quickly, excuse our janky closet, our janky setup. As we figure out what we need to do, we'll figure out together.
It will get better. It will get
you
better
guys
together.
don't mind, right?
But I mean, everyone loves a little sparkle, so we wanted to
throw something together rather quickly. Anyway, we're here to say, please, we're starting a new, you could talk about it because you started it.
Yeah, we actually just started a new Facebook group called Posh Moms, and it's just going to be a Poshmark support group on Facebook where we inspire and encourage each other. You can just start your closet the day you join the group, and we will kind of go through and show you how to get started. We'll share some tips, like what brands sell for us and all that jazz, so please go check that out.
And it's all love.
Yeah, it's all love, positivity. It's not...
We don't care if you have one thing in your closet for sale.
Or nothing. Yes, come on over. We love to learn and grow as a posh community.
As you can see,
we
need to grow. Because we obviously need to figure out, see, exactly what we're doing. That's perfect. That can stay in there.
Perfect. Yeah, no, it should. Because this is us, you guys.
Okay.
And voila, you use a hanger, you got a backdrop. There you go.
The thing we want to talk about, like tips and tricks on how to set up an easy backdrop, put out an easy flat lay. Flat lays can be so pretty if you figure it out.
Absolutely.
We want to talk about our stories really quickly. I became a posher 4 years ago when it was just baby Posh, and I'm growing with Posh, and I got really sick really quickly, and Posh actually was my inspiration to get better, to be able to stand up and try on the clothes, to take pictures, to help pay for the bills that were coming in from the hospital. My daughter here went college. So, here's her story.
Well, I didn't forego college. My mom was sick and needed me, so I decided to stay home and just help take care of her and just help her get better. That's a touchy subject.
Yeah.
But now I am the mom to a beautiful little girl, Nora June, and Poshmark allows me to be a stay-at-home mom. My husband does work. He is an amazing electrician. Shout out to FSC. Yeah, I get to stay home with my daughter, make some great friends through the Poshmark app, and it helps sustain a lot of our bills, which is amazing. And yeah, I just love it. I love everything about it, and I am all about Poshmark.
And we were honored yesterday, you guys, to freaking meet.
We got to meet the one, the only, Manish.
Chandra.
Yes, it was
Poshmark.
Amazing. And Tiffany and Leanne.
And Tiffany and Leanne.
Absolutely. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us.
It was such a surreal experience.
We're still like I was telling people earlier, I still feel the presence of Poshmark within me. Like even today, it's lingered that much.
Posh love is real, you guys.
We wanted to just stand up and shout to the world, like Poshmark is real. Poshmark is love.
Yes.
The Poshmark support team, Manish himself is...
It's all love. And it's like a family. It literally is a family. I felt like I had known everybody for years. It's just... They are an amazing group of people, and we are so lucky to be able to use this app and, like we said, make an income to pay for bills, you know.
Girl,
and you can do it, and you can do it for fun.
Money.
You can do it part-time, full-time, whatever. Poshmark is whatever you put into it, and that is what is amazing about it. You can make it your full-time job.
Exactly.
If, you know, you share, you list, which we'll get into that in other videos.
Yeah.
But it's anything that you want it to be, and I think that's so empowering because that's our lives. Our lives, your destiny is what you make it. So Poshmark gives us an opportunity to really succeed and provide for our families, which is amazing.
And as women, like, right, girls? Power to us. BAWSE. BAWSE. That's what it is. We're bosses. We are. You can come on Poshmark and be a freaking boss. Like, get your boss boots on because you're ready to go on an adventure with Poshmark that is so unbelievably real, nothing like it on the market that I even compares to what this app is.
No, absolutely
Nothing
not.
compares to the support and love you're going to receive from the people on the other side who hear your complaints and try to get through them as fast as they can, because we literally saw those people working and they didn't even lift their heads enough to say hello because there's so much work in front of them.
So much dedication. You can just see that, and it's amazing. So yeah, that's
Tiffany, Leanne, Manish, thank you so much again for having us. We want to stay next time for lunch.
Yes.
You guys, Bay Area girls here, the Bay Area dynamic duo. If you live in the Bay Area, message us down below.
Bay
Follow
Area
us.
love.
We want to have get-togethers. We want to see our Bay Area girls.
Absolutely. We want to, you know, get together, share tips and tricks, go sourcing together for inventory. We would love that. We want to continue to build a community not only on our phones but with each other outside, because
it represents Poshmark to a T.
Absolutely.
LOVE should be equivalent to Poshmark. No joke. Like, I can't express enough how much love and support, and we thank them for supporting us, because we're this little engine that could, right? We're right now this little baby engine that we have this big vision for, and with you guys we could just do it together, and you guys can learn with us and help us figure out a better background and give us some tips and tricks.
Exactly, and just share the success with one another. Like I said, you're your own boss. What you make of it is what will become, and it's amazing.
I wanted to shout out.
Oh yeah, we're also going to do in our videos the closet of the week. We are both going to choose our favorite Posh closet of the week.
Yes.
And shout them out and kind of say what we love about their closet. Share positivity and love.
Share positivity, and then we do it, and then y'all do it back to other people. You know what I mean? Like, just continue this pyramid. My girl is
Lorianne Hertz.
Lorianne Hertz.
At Lorianne Hertz.
At Lorianne Hertz. That's my girl. She was my mentor on Poshmark. I absolutely love her. Not only is she beautiful on the outside, but she's beautiful on the inside. She mentored me. She helped me. She answered any questions I had. She actually bought Ugg boots for me, and then sent me a package, or she sent me free shoes one time. So I love her. She's like a sister now, a sister in Posh, a sister in family, and I want to shout her out. So follow her. If you see her, tell her Nancy sent you over. She knows who I am. I'm the big mouth girl from Cali. And you want to?
Yes. My girl, my fellow Chelsea, she is at XOHeartsU. She is a stay-at-home mom of 3 children, and she somehow finds time to just absolutely kill it on Posh. If you go to her closet, all of her photographs are beautiful. She lists daily, shares. Her and her husband just bought a house because of the money that she's been making from Poshmark. It helped them buy a house.
Wow. So
that
beautiful.
it is an amazing story. She is an amazing person.
Shout out Chelsea.
And yes. So
I wanted to say that
XOHeartsU.
too about Lori. She wears everything and takes pictures of herself in everything that she sells. So not only will you see the clothing that she's selling, you'll see it on her cute little hot body. And and that's another thing I want to say. Sorry, I just want to interject that.
No.
So shout out to you, Lori.
Yeah.
Anyway.
And I guess our ultimate goal with this channel is to just, like we said, share love and positivity and do tricks. So we'll take you guys sourcing with us one time. We'll show you guys how we list something, give you examples of cover shot ideas, so forth and so forth, and then maybe even share stories of other poshers like you guys watching, your stories, and just empower one another and let each other know that the sky is the limit.
Absolutely. Well said, Chelsea. And with that, I think we're going to say
we bid
good
adieu.
night. We
good
bid
night.
you adieu. BAWSE. BAWSE. And we hope you guys are feeling empowered to be your own boss.
Absolutely.
And be your own person and love what you do, because I wake up every morning excited to see what the fashion is.
And don't ever feel like, oh, like I don't really know fashion. No, like people on Poshmark appreciate anything. I mean, everything. I literally have like the ugliest cat sweatshirt, and somebody bought it. There is something for everyone. Fashion has no limits. For everyone. As Manish said, fashion has no limits. Fashion has no limits. And that is the truth. So, I gotta go give my baby some dinner. She's with Daddy playing right now, but it was lovely making this video.
Meeting you
guys. And
exciting,
and just hugs and love to you all, and thank you so much for watching.
And for all of my followers who are going to come over from my Cooking in Heels channel, I'm still going to do Cooking in Heels too, so I'll have that. So thank you for coming over if you're from my family over there, and we'll see you next time, guys. Peace, love, positivity, and BAWSE your own boss.
Be your own, yes.
Say it together. Be your own BAWSE. BAWSE, BAWSE. Good night. And this is the life on the other side of that video. We have dinner being made. We have swings being made. We have husbands taking care of business. And we have Posh love in the air.